If you're sourcing products from China, you've probably seen deals that are too good to be true, and sometimes they really are. Every year, thousands of new importers lose money to fake suppliers or poor quality factories. In this video, we'll share 5 simple ways to protect yourself based on real experiences we've seen here at SourcingXpro. Tip number 1, verify supplier identity. Always make sure the supplier actually exists. Ask for their business license, factory address, and company registration numbers. Then cross-check those details on China's official business registry. If they refuse to provide these information or send blurry photos, that's your first red flag. Tip number 2, check product certifications. Scammers love showing fake CE, ROHS, or FCC reports. You can verify those directly on the testing lab's website like LCS, SGS, or TUV. If the report number doesn't show up, it's fake. At SourcingXpro, we verify every document before production even starts. Tip number 3, use secure payment methods. Never send full payment through Western Union or personal bank accounts. That money can disappear fast. Instead, use Alibaba Trade Assurance, PayPal, or letter of credit for large orders. These protect your payment until your goods are shipped or approved. Tip number 4, always request a sample. Don't skip this step. A real factory can send a proper sample with an invoice and shipping label. Check the quality yourself before placing a large order. It's the easiest way to avoid disappointment, and it tells you if the supplier is legit. Tip number 5, do a pre-shipment inspection. Before your goods leave China, make sure someone inspects them. We've seen perfect product photos online, but the wrong items inside the boxes? At SourcingXpro, our team inspects every shipment, send photos and videos, so you can confirm quality before shipping. Sourcing from China doesn't have to be risky. You just need the right checks in place. If you want help verifying suppliers, checking quality, or managing shipments, of course, SourcingXpro makes the process safer and easier. Visit SourcingXpro.com or message us today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sourcing tips straight here from China.